Sir. Sir, can you hear me?
Srilata ma'am?
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm speaking.
Ma'am, we can't hear your voice, ma'am.
Narendra sir, I can hear her voice.
Yeah,
She's
yeah.
there.
Okay, ma'am. Srilata ma'am.
Yes, sir, I'm there.
Yeah, you can start.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Srilata, working at Ketepalli, Nalgonda district. A warm welcome to everyone, the aspirants of technology. And this is the Day 8 program conducted by ELTA Nalgonda about the tools, ICT tools. As the saying goes, an intelligent person will open your mind, a handsome person will open your eyes, whereas a gentleman will open your heart. So here today we have two gentlemen who are going to open your hearts to inculcate these tools which can be used and implemented to enrich the knowledge of your students. And let us welcome our first guest, Dr. Ravi Kumar Kolagaru. And you need to listen to his prolonged introduction because he's a person with many achievements. So please do listen carefully. Here we go. Dr. Ravi Kumar Kolagaru is an editorial board member of ELTA Telangana and vice president of ELTA Warangal Urban, who is always ready to render his services. He's working as a teacher of English at ZPHS Shaipet, Dharmasagar, Warangal Urban District. He's a state resource person too. He's also a script writer and presenter for the digital lessons telecasted through TSAT Vidya channel. Now, those which are going to be telecasted. He has completed 6 online courses from IIT Bombay, X, and TIS Mumbai, US Embassy sponsored American English e-teacher scholarship program, and action research in education from CIET New Delhi. He is a teacher, educator for the Connected Learning Initiative, CLIX, which is implemented in 300 schools in Telangana, and his school, ZPHS Shaipet, is second position in that program. He is mentor in the present ELEC, English Language Enrichment course, online course for primary school teachers conducted by SERT Telangana in collaboration with Ajim Premji University. He is well versed in using different ICT tools. He rendered his services as resource person for the webinars conducted by SSA and ELTO of different districts in Telangana. And I heartily welcome you, sir, for today's session.
Ravi Kumar sir, are you there?
Sir, thank you. Madam, thank you, madam, for your warm words. Thank you, Narendra Reddy sir, for inviting me for today's session. So really, it's a very good initiation. Sir, is my voice audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay. So here there is a power cut. So that's why I'm using this Rio Geo router. That's the reason I'm just verifying again. Okay, sir.
Okay, right.
Any point if you face any difficulty.
Okay, sure. Okay, right.
Good evening to all the English fraternity of Nalgonda district. So today, let me start my session. Yeah. Okay. So my topic is about Kaggle, a mind mapping tool. So here, first of all, let us have a small intro regarding before going to this online tool. So if you want to come up with innovative ideas and creative solutions, so do you want to do these things? And if you want your students to memorize information and recall it under pressure, so when they are the exams are very near to them, and at the 11th hour, so if they wanted to get all the information and recall it during the last moment, so how can they do these things? And if they want to set goals and achieve them, and also to deliver excellent presentations with confidence. So how to give presentations for the different online resources or using different web tools like that. So if you want to do all these things, there is simple one technique, that is mind mapping. So mind mapping is a very olden one, and we used in different ways, but nowadays it is getting more and more prominency because of remote teaching, where we are connecting our students. And here this is a study technique in which the information from the variety of sources is converted into diagrammatic representation. So we take a parent node in the middle, and from that the branches will be there, and to that we link different ideas for that. So it is an important key, and here the important keywords are associated with this topic. So whenever we write the keywords, automatically we can recapitulate, or we can give the information in detail by looking over these keywords. And here these mind maps are a unique thinking tools. So it brings out the natural genius. So there will be genius in every student. You would see every student is unique, and they are dynamic. Coming to our government school students, they are very, very creative and innovative. So to bring out the natural genius in the students, so we can use these mind maps. And not only we can confine these mind maps to one particular subject, not only languages, we can use to non-languages also. So here our intention is not only teaching them the language, that is English. So using these different variety of tools, they can transfer the gained knowledge in this language, in this English language, to other subjects, to non-languages also. So that type of things we have to encourage our students. Yes, so here these are some advantages of this mind mapping. Here you can see they are boosting the memory of the students, and the achievement levels of the students are gained more, and it is easily for brainstorming. So whenever we are getting some ideas, whenever we are facing any difficulty in doing some tasks, so there may be some brainstorming here. So here by using the mind mapping, we go easily for doing the brainstorming activity. And here it is increasing the research studies has shown that, so using mind mapping, the reading comprehension of the students is enhanced, and it is allowing the students to examine the relationships. So in particularly in different topics, so what are the relationships between these two items or these two different things? So they can correlate the relationships. And here it is making easy for the students to classify ideas and communicate. So coming here, so what we experienced in our classes also, when we started connecting our students from the July month, so we started communicating with our students. So the students who are very backward, they also came forward to communicate, because using this mind map, simple words, though there are see coming to, we always make the students to want perfection. So coming over here, instead of writing sentences, they are using words or phrases. So by using these words and phrases from the mind mapping, they are trying to frame different sentences. So that's what we have done, and you can also do the same. So we can also guide the students in demonstrating their thinking process. So here, by using the mind mapping, we can encourage our students to demonstrate their thinking process, and we can also organize the essential concepts and ideas. So particularly to different subjects, we can organize them. So in an orderly way, we can organize that one. And here, this more particularly, you can see this is very important over here. So the language barriers, which I have spoke just now, the words or grammar are removed over here, so that the learners can focus on the connection between the information. Since we are not at all stressing more on this, so what we have been experiencing, whatever Narendra Reddy sir and myself, we are doing the things where we are not at all focusing on the grammar aspects, and the teachers are coming forward. We are making on the fluency of the teachers, not on the accuracy. So that is what is happening in the ELEC, that is English Language Enrichment course. So that is conducted by the Azim Premji University and SCRT Telangana. So here, so the language barriers, some barriers like grammar, all these things, we can remove that, and the students can focus more on the information. Yes. So here, how to enter into the world of Kaggle. So here, just you have to go to this Kaggle. So there may be some doubts lingering in your mind. So why particularly Ravi Kumar sir has taken this tool? So there are different types of tools coming over using like XMind, or else like FreeMind. So if you are you want to use those other things, so you have to download the software. You have to download the software, and it will occupy some of the space in your hard disk. And coming to other tools, so there are different tools are also there. Mind mapping tools are also there, and mind mapping apps are also there. You can also download from the Google Play Store. But coming over here, this Kaggle, it is a web-based one. So it does not, we don't need any software for downloading. We don't need any app for downloading this. Just you can use it using your browser. You can use it from any browser you need. So you can use it from Google Chrome browser, or you can use it from Mozilla Firefox. You can use it if you are using iPhone, you can use it from your Safari browser, or else from the Internet Explorer, or if you are using the advanced Windows 10 version, you can use it from the Microsoft Edge browser. So this is a browser based software. So we no need of downloading any softwares, no need of downloading any softwares, no need of occupying any space. This is, everything is stored on the cloud. Now what we have been doing, instead of using Word document, using MS Word or LibreOffice Writer, we are now just using the cloud-based version like a Google Docs or Google Sheets or Google Slides, like that. So they are all done by using the online mode. So same way here, this Kaggle is also a web-based one, and you can use it, and it is free of cost. It is free of cost, and it is open. This is open source. Yes, like. So just if you go to Google, you have to just type Kaggle, C-O-G-G-L-E, Kaggle, and just you need any 3 accounts. So this is a screenshot that was taken just 4 months back. Now here, when we go into this demo, so when I show you through online, so there you can see. So if you have any account like a Google account or Microsoft account or Apple account or Mac account, so you can get an access to this Kaggle. Yes, so you have to sign in. So for entering into this Kaggle, you have to sign in with your Google account or Microsoft account or your Apple account. Yes. So there, at the first instance, you get different 6 areas. So first one will be education. The second one will be IT or engineering, and the third one will be operations. Fourth one will be like product or design and business and others. Coming to education, you have to select. So if particularly your students are going to access this one, so they have to select the option like student. And as a teachers, we have to select the option of teacher. So if they are administrators, so they have to select the administrator. Yeah. So this is the home page. So you can see here, after logging in, you can see your mail ID on the left side, and you can see here created by you, shared by you, gallery, and all. You can also create different folders. So this is here, you can see create diagrams. For creating new diagram, you have to click on this plus. If you click on upgrade, there are plans, different plans for this one. Okay, so if you click on create, you can see for the click to edit the title. So this will have appear here like this. And next, if you click on that node, the parent node, so you are going to get different options. You can go for the text. You can go for inserting the link. So the FreeMind or XMind or any others which you are using, the earlier mind mapping tools, we don't have any options of inserting images or inserting of links, hyperlinks. So inserting of any link. So here you can also include your YouTube links. You can also include your YouTube link here, and you can create the mind map. You can also insert the image. You can also insert the emojis like 15 to 20 emojis are available over here. You can include that one also. You can insert text, you can insert link, you can include image and icons like that. Coming over here, so after doing this, so if you can go on adding, n number of branches, and you can insert the shapes for that the nodes. So for the free version, you are going to insert any 3 types of nodes, or the shapes. Only 3 types of shapes are available. And coming over the colors for this, they are the default colors. We cannot change the colors for the free version. Automatically, by default, the colors will be appearing. Okay. So this is the way of creating or adding and removing new branches and inserting the different shapes like that. And you can there are also shortcut keys. If you are using desktop, if you are using laptop, there are some shortcut keys. You can use them, and you can go on creating that one. And if you want, here we are talking about sharing. So like we are talking about the 21st century skills, 21st century skills like communication, creative thinking, critical creativity, and collaboration. So here, like earlier, what we have done using Google Docs, Google Slides, and Google Forms, we are collaborating with others. So here, the students also, after creating this diagram, they can share this, they can collaborate it. The peer-to-peer collaboration can happen, and the teacher-to-student collaboration also can take place. So here, by using this share option, they can collaborate it. And here you can download this after completing of your this mind map. You can download this. You can download it as a PDF file. You can download it as a JPG file, or you can download it or a text file, simple text file. Also, you can download it, or else you can go for mindmap.mm. So if you create in other softwares, so where you get an extension of .mm file. So here you can, after creating of this mind map, you can just download it .mm file also, or else Visio VSDS file also you can do. So these are the available options of different formats that you can download for this Kaggle. Yes, and coming over here, when in the middle, so if you wanted to do some messages, you can also send messages to others also. So that option is also available. And here you can see the timeline. You can see the timeline. You can see the previous version. You can go further. So if you started creating doing your mind map some 10 minutes ago, so after 10 minutes, you don't want the things which you have added. You wanted to go back. So here, if you click on the timeline, you can just go on click 10 minutes ago. There you can see the first version. So where you have started the mind, you can go to that particular point and you can start doing from there also. Or else you can copy that and you can go on doing these things. And you can present this. So if you are in any online classes, so you can go for the presentation mode also. And here what I have said here, so this is collaborating. Yes. So for collaborators also, you can give them authorship, or else you can give them read and create copies or read only. So if you give option of author, they can edit the complete mind map. They can edit the complete mind map. If you just give option read only, they can just read only. They cannot do anything. They cannot edit anything. Like we are doing in Google Forms and like G Suite for education. So we are giving collaboration like options like view, means he is going to view only. If you are going to give option of edit, so he can edit the particular thing, whether it is Google Docs or slides or whatever they think. Yes. So here this is you can also create folders, class-wise folders also you can create, and you can go on. And you can also use the templates. Nearly 1600 templates are available for free version. 1600 templates are available. You can use the templates and you can reuse that. You can modify them. When you select any template, here you can see here use as template option will come. If you click on that, it automatically you can use that. So here this is one of the mind map that was just created by me to show you that we can also insert the YouTube link here. So here this is a YouTube link. So this is a choreography script for if a tree could talk. If a tree could talk, so here telling if the students are unable to follow us, you can just show this mind map and you can see the steps that are involved in the choreography script, like name of the poem, theme of the poem, or next the instances in the poem, and characters in the poem, and locations in the poem, and sequence of actions. Like this, you can go on creating the mind map. Or else you can go for the gist, the summary of the lesson. The summary of the lesson, this will make our students to know, to comprehend, to understand. So the different characters, the different things that are there, like that you can go on creating. And here, I have taken the screenshots of the text. I have taken the screenshot of the text. You can encourage your students. So you can encourage your students not only for coming to subjects, you can encourage them for drawing, like the painting. So they can draw their the characters, the different characters. They can take a photo of that, and they can insert the photos further. Like that also you can encourage. So this is the complete gist of this the torted blanket. You can see here the torn. So here the relations are what the author want to say is about the broken relation, the broken family relations. Yes, like that you can say. And here one more thing what we wanted to insist you is that, so just you can from your mobile also you can try to get the desktop site. Just nothing, you can go to the Google. There you can see 3 dots. If you click on the 3 dots, if you click on these 3 dots, you are going to get options like this. a new tab or new incognito tab, bookmarks, recent tabs like that. If you click here, desktop site will be there. If you click on that, automatically you can get the desktop site like that. You enable that one. If you enable this one, you can get the desktop site. So all these things are just at one instant. So go to Google, just click on the three dots. You are going to get these options. Click on this desktop site. There you are going for the desktop site. You are enabling, you have enabled that one, and you have that one. So here, let us go for demo. Yeah. Sir, is the screen visible, sir? Okay. Now.
Yeah.
Google Chrome. Yeah. So just to open your browser, just type Kaggle. Yes. So you are going to get this kaggle.it. Okay. Yes. You just click on that. Here you are going to see the home page. Home here, login, the pricing, the features, the gallery. You can also see the tutorial video over here. Here you can see sign up now. And you can see the different options available here. You can unleash your creativity, and you can, so here you can see this is pertaining to different, so here about botany. Yes, like that I told you. So here powerful online flow charts. You are going to create collaborative mind. What we are talking about is collaboration, like that. You can real-time collaboration, saving energy, all these things. You can just, when you enter this website, you can see here like this. So just click on this login. Just click on this login. So see here, I said, you know, already informed you about signing into this Kaggle using this Google account or Microsoft account, or this using this Apple account. So earlier this Apple account was not there. Recently they have added this Apple account also. So everybody now, instead of bank account, everybody has a Facebook account, or else everybody is with a Gmail account. So it is easy for everyone to open a Gmail account. Though we don't have any balance in the bank, but we are having a different accounts like Facebook, Twitter, and WhatsApp accounts like that. So with the Gmail account, you can just sign in into this Kaggle. So just click on the sign in with Google. So it asks, so if you are using two or three or four accounts in your mobile or in your desktop, you have to select the particular which you wanted to access. Yes. So here I am selecting my mail ID. So it is showing, yes. So here you can see on the left side, you can see the mail ID and the name. And here you can see 2 of 3. I wanted to make this one big. Yes. Yeah. I think it's visible now. So if you are unable to see the screen, though I have enlarged the screen, if the screen is very small, I request you to zoom your screen, to zoom your mobile screen, so that this will be visible. Yes. So here you can see 2 of 3 private diagrams used. So 2 of 3. So only 3 private diagrams. If you make it your diagram as a public one, you can create n number of diagrams. So if you don't make it as a public one, you wanted to share with your friends, you wanted to make it only private. So you can create for the free version only 3 private diagrams. Only 3 private diagrams are available. Okay. And coming over here, if you make it public, you can access, you can share it to others also. Like, so here on the left hand side, you can see created by you, shared with you, gallery, all these things. Okay. So here, if you click on upgrade now, you can see the different the different pricing. Yes, free forever, ideal for discovering Kaggle and occasional use. So here you can see $0 forever. It is free forever. So your current plan, you can see here 3 private diagrams, unlimited public diagrams, real-time collaboration, auto arrange branches, over 1600 beautiful icons, unlimited image uploads, PDF and image download, shared folders, all these things you can see. And coming to the different plans like awesome plan, or else going for organization, no need of going for this. You can just use this, the free version, and you can go on doing these things. Yeah. So here for going for creating a new mind map, you have to click on this create diagram. So create a diagram, you have to click on this. It opens. Yeah. So I think if the screen is very small, Narendra Reddy sir, shall I zoom it more?
Yeah,
Shall I
no need,
enlarge
sir.
it
It
more?
is clear.
Okay, right. Thank you, sir. So here you can see, here one, the parent node, the middle one has, you can see here, click to edit title. And here you can see, so invite people to join this. And here you can see, this is the timeline. So you can, this is the timeline and this is the messages. And this is the presentation one, present this Kaggle. And here sharing this Kaggle, you can share it, you can embed it in your blog, or else you can download it as a PDF file or a JPG file. Yes. So here, if you click on this question mark, you can get the shortcut keys. So here there are the different shortcut keys. If you wanted to add a new item, shift plus return. If you wanted to add a new child item, you have to click on the tab. Like this, you can go for the shortcut keys. There are shortcut keys available. Yes, I am closing that one. So here, click to edit title. So I am clicking over here. So when I clicked here, you can see here A. So that is text formatting. And the second one here, you can see link to a website. You can give link of any website, or else you can give link of your Google Drive, or else you can give the link of your YouTube also. Yeah. So here this is uploading an image. Here you can upload an image over here, or else you can go for searching for icons. So here, right. So here you can see the different icons like check, green cross, forbidden, red flag, pen, pencil, fountain pen, like others. Okay. You can go for the icons also. Yes. So let me type like Elta Nalgonda, or else, yes. Okay. So here I have typed Elta Nalgonda, and just when you wanted to make it, this is the final one, you have to click outside the box. You have to click outside. Yes. So here you can see this is the one. So if you again click here, you can select this and you can go for the text. If you click on the text formatting, you can make it bold, you can make it italics, or else you can see I have clicked on this make text bold. Yeah. So here before and after the word, you can see star mark, like what we are seeing in our WhatsApp also. If you wanted to make any word, any text as a bold one, before and after the text, if you give stars, automatically that becomes a bold. I am clicking out. Yeah. Sorry. So actually it was selected as the italics. Yeah. Now I think it's just a minute, just a minute. I'm going to give it again. Okay. So I wanted to make it as a bold. Yes. So for bold, it's taking 2 stars, 2 asterisks before and after. Yes. So here it is bold. It's now bold. So again, I am clicking in this, selecting on this, clicking on the text formatting. I'm going to make it as a text italic. Italic. I'm removing the bold, only italics. Yes, you can see here italics. Like that, you can change the text, and you can also add. Any images. Yes, I wanted to take the image of our Elta Telangana. I'm going for these images. Here you can see. Here you can see the logo of our Elta Telangana. I'm just clicking this and just saving this image. I'm saving this image on my desktop. I'm giving it the name for this. Okay. Now I wanted to go again over here. I wanted to insert the image, upload an image. You have to click. Whenever you click upload an image, automatically you are going to get here in the desktop. Yes. You can see here Elta. Just click on open. Yes. Click outside. It's not inserted. Again, let me select the file. Okay, so like that you can insert some network problem here. So for inserting, actually it's getting inserted but not showing later. Okay, let me go and see the presentation mode. Yeah. Okay, so like that you can go for uploading of your image. So, so you can also go for inserting of any uh, link also, YouTube link also. So just I wanted to insert about the preparing videos using this OBS software. Just I am clicking on this video. So here when you click on the share, you can see the link. You can copy the link. You can copy the link. You can copy the link. Yes, copy the link and pasting over here. You can see here the video inserted over here like this. Okay, so you can add branches. You can add branches for this. I'm just minimizing the screen again. So here plus, if you click here, automatically new node is added over here. So for if you click over here, this side again new node will be added. So if you click on this plus, automatically new. So the color selection is default. Color selection is default. So again, for clicking the new nodes for here, again you can click here, you are going to get this one. So here there is no box is selected. You have to click, right click, select the box. So select the shape, choose the shape. So I have taken this shape. Okay, like this. Again here, right click, going for selecting of the shape. Again, I have selected only three default shapes you can choose. Only three default shapes you can use. Yes. So after creating like this, you can go on making it. You can move it anywhere. If you wanted to put over here, this side you can put over here, or else if you wanted to move to the top side itself, or the top like that, you can go on. And like this. So this is a freehand tool. You can use it and you can move this complete mind map to anywhere on this canvas. So here like this, you can go on adding nodes, like adding branches. Okay. Okay. So like this, you can go on adding nodes like this. So here again, you can see, yes. Yes. So here actually already I have used 3 diagrams. That's the reason it's showing public diagram. So for the first time when you create, it shows the public, it shows the private diagram. You have to make it public. So not, if you want to use it only private also, you can make it as a private, but only 3 diagrams are there like that. And coming over here, share this Kaggle, you can share it. So here, can everyone you view this diagram? Yes. So this is a public one. So here it is in green color, means it is public one. So I am again making it as no. No means already it is showing you have used all your private diagrams. Upgrade for unlimited. So for 3, it is free. If you want for the 4th private diagram, you have to upgrade it. No need of upgrading. You can use just this one and go over here. So coming over here, you can share this. You can embed this in the blog. You can share it to your Facebook. You can share it to the Twitter. Like that, you can share it. Okay, or else you can download it. So here you can see download PDF. So I'm clicking here, download PDF. So our mind map will be, we can take the printout in the form of a, this what we can say as a printout, as a PDF file. So here you can see the link, of the YouTube. You can see the different options that you have given, the different points, the key points that you have given for the to the different branches, like that you can give. And here you can also download this as an image, as a JPG image. The students can do this and they can create like that. Okay, so if you go for this previous versions, if you click on this previous version, so here this is what I told you about the timeline. So if you click on 3 minutes ago, so our first 3 minutes ago, it was like this. If you wanted to continue from here, you can just click on create a copy. You can copy this and you can go on to it. Or else you can go for 2 minutes ago like this, or you can go for the 2 minutes ago current one. So this is the current one. You can also click on the messages, comments, and you can chart also. Yes, like this you can go on doing, and you can add collaborators. I told you, no, invite people to join this. So here you can invite your Narendra sir, please tell your mail ID.
Narendra NLG
NLG
at the rate of Gmail. Yeah.
Okay. So I wanted to send him. So here for sending, yes, just a minute. Yes, sending over here. You can see after sending to any mail, here the icon appears here like this. So here our collaborator will be added here. You can see their icon. So if you click on that particular collaborator, you can make him an author. You can read and create copies. You can read only. So if you make read only, he can just read that one. If you click, if you give read and create copies, he can read and create copies. If you make him as an author, it is allowing creating and editing documents. He can edit this. He can edit the entire mind map like that. He can do. So these are the available options that are there. So you can start doing. You can encourage your students to do these things. And coming over here, so here we can see created by you. So all the mind maps which were created by us. So you can see here like this. So for coming over here regarding, if you wanted to teach about the biographical sketch. So the biographical sketch of APJ Abdul Kalam, the missile man of India. So here how we can go on giving the different words related to the biographical sketch like that. So by using these keywords, the students can frame meaningful sentences like that. You can go on doing. Yes. So here these are the things. And if you go to gallery, you can see I told you there are 1600 mind maps. You can use them. You can use those templates. You can use the templates and create your own copies. You can create your own copies. So here, if you wanted to select particularly creating effective flowchart, this one, you can click here. If you click on that, automatically you are going to get this like this public diagram. Automatically, it's by default it's a public diagram, and here it is present. It is downloading option, and here if you click on use as a template, if you click on use as template, you can reuse it, you can edit it, you can edit it. Okay, so here if you click on this text, automatically you can change the text. Okay, so here I have changed the text. Like that, you can use these templates and you can change and you can create, you can use it according to your convenience. Not only yourself, your students also can use this. So this is the thing that is available with this Kaggle. So you can also create folders. You can go on clicking create folder. You can create class-wise folders, and you can make the students to collaborate with you. They can share it, and they can send their things. And particularly what we are doing is that we are not at all we are not at all storing the evidences. Whatever we are teaching in the classroom, we are not at all saving the evidences. So better if you save evidences. So this particularly using this Kaggle, you can save your evidences, so that if anybody is asking you what you have done, what are the things that were done by you, what the students have created, you can just show, you can share the link, and you can show the activities that are created by your students. So like this, you can go on creating these things, and so try to concentrate. My interesting thing is that so we are trying. So Narendra Reddy sir and myself, we are trying on different type of tools. Particularly, we have to explore more and more things, like using only browser-based apps also. So like we can seek for, if you see for Vocaro also, that is also browser-based one. You can send your voice message. Nearly 15 minutes of voice message can be sent using the Vocaro. That is also browser-based one. So please try to explore the browser-based ones, so that there is no need of downloading, because our students may face problem. So their mobiles may not be compatible with the advanced things, apps like that. So by using these browser-based one, anybody in the world, anybody can see it, anybody can download it, and anybody can see what the activities that are done by our students or by the teachers, like that. Okay, so this is my presentation. Okay, if you have any queries,
Thank you.
questions.
Thank
Yes,
you, Ravi Kumar sir. Sriyata ma'am, are you there?
Yeah.
I think she left. Okay, sir. Thank you for your detailed presentation, sir. You are so patient enough to give the instruction very effectively. And as we know that mind mapping is the most important tool in order to comprehend the things. So thank you very much, sir. So I would like to inform the participants that Dr. Ravi Kumar Garu has presented this particular tool on even NCERT webinar also. So we are so fortunate to have his session today. And so he is the only person who got the opportunity to present there on NCERT platform. So I would like to congratulate him once again, and I would like to thank him on behalf of ELTA. Thank you, Ravi Kumar sir, for having a wonderful session and wonderful interaction with our people. Thank you. So we need your services again.
Okay, so definitely, I am also thankful to all our organizers, Narendra Reddy sir. Neela madam is also there. Madam,
Yeah.
looking forward. Is also, madam, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, sir. Ravi Kumar, sir. I'm very glad to listen to this once again. This is definitely.
Okay, madam. Please. So we are seeing you on different platforms. So please try to whatever the things that you are exploring, please try to share with others.
Sure, sir. Actually,
all our teachers, they have to come forward. They have to share. So what we are doing from the past 4 months, ELTA Telangana and ELTA Nalgonda and ELTA Warangal Urban, we are doing different type of things. So please try. We request every teacher to come forward.
Sir. Let me intervene. Please.
Sure.
You deserve it, sir. It is not that you don't need to request anyone. Your actions, they speak much louder. So definitely the voice will be heard. The voice will reach everyone, the masses. It will reach the classes, the masses, everyone. And that is because we are more to benefit. And I would also want to say that you take any group 1 exams, they are giving you a separate sheet wherein you can draw a mind map and then write your answers. You have essay type answers, say for the forest department, for the forest selection department. So in that department also they give you for what should I say, like in sums, they give you a worksheet for
Descriptive.
rough work. I'm sorry,
Yes.
they give you a rough worksheet where you can organize your ideas first and then put
Yes.
the organized ones. Sir,
Yes.
I congratulate you for all the achievements you have made in life, and what best we can do from our end is to disseminate what you have taught us.
Thank you, madam. And we are always ready. But we and Narendra Reddy sir and our intention and our objective and our last ultimate goal is to make all the teachers to come forward and present there what they have learned. So after completion of this, I think everybody will be in a position to teach. So we have to reach. Our ultimate target is to reach our students. So we have to reach.
And already the techie kids in Warangal are doing wonders.
Yes, madam. Yes, on
And
second.
I know it is all because of you, and Sampath sir has taken the initiative. Sampath sir was telling me about you, sir.
Yes, madam. Yes, we are doing that one on 2nd October. Sir,
Yeah.
thank you, Narendra Reddy sir. Thank you for giving
Thank
me an
you, bro.
opportunity.
Actually, Ravi Kumar sir is my closest and best friend. We were working together for the past 3-4 years since we made some digital lessons. So a bond developed between us. Since then, we were sharing so many things, and we are developing so many programs together. And thank you. A wonderful friendship with you, Ravi Kumar sir, and thank you once again.
Really, I can say I am blessed to get a friend like you, because at any moment, so we used to talk for late night, so nearly 2 hours, 3 hours also. So
Yes.
how we can bring different type of tools to the teachers, and how we can do different type of experimentations like this. So we are doing this thing, and we are learning and making others to learn.
Yes.
Birds of a feather flock together.
Yes, ma'am.
So the same similarities are seen both in Narendra Reddy sir and also in Dr. Ravi Kumar Koda sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you all. Thank you.
Right. Now I request our Lingaswamy sir. Lingaswamy sir, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Sir, so welcome to the session, sir. Actually, Lingaswamy sir, there is no need to introduce Lingaswamy sir, because he is one of our resource persons who was trained there on ELTA Telangana platform, and now today he is going to deal with sir. 1 minute, sir. Let me have your. So Lingaswamy Madala he has been working at actually I sent to Srilata ma'am, but she is not
okay.
available.
Sir, it's okay. It's okay.
No. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Yeah, he has been working at ZPHS Antampet, Mariguda Mandal, Nalgonda district, and he has done his MA English and MEd. So he's planning to be a teacher educator. And one more thing is he's an our learning teacher. He is so fascinated to learn things. And Lingaswamy sir, he has developed. He has an experience in developing the worksheets on behalf of SCRT Telangana. So I'm so fortunate to work with him even in that project also. Today, Lingaswamy sir is going to present Kahoot. Kahoot is a kind of assessment tool. So I request and I invite Lingaswamy sir to deal this topic.
Yeah. Thank you,
over
sir.
to Lingaswamy.
Thank you for your warm welcome. A very happy evening to all. So hope you had a wonderful session now. And so instead of entering our session, so I would like to make you a little bit of refreshment, sir. So I typed on the chat box. So there a link. There is an URL. You can see that is kahoot.it. Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, sir.
Sir, so I typed there. I shared an
URL
URL there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, you just click on it and you go there, sir. I request you there to go there. Let's have some fun instead of before entering our session.
Yeah, we've opened, sir.
Yes, sir. I request all of you to click on the link and go there. Kahoot.it. I am sure you will have a good time now with this act. So there is a game pin is asked, sir. So the game pin is 18166644. You can see here on the screen. First you go to kahoot.it and then enter the game pin that is shown on the screen.
Yeah, it is asking nickname also.
Yeah, you can name your nick. Yeah. I invite as many as possible for this game. Yeah, Aruna madam and Narendra Reddy sir, VIS, Brahmaya, Parushuram sir, Brahmaya sir, welcome to you all. Yeah, expecting some more. Let's have fun, sir. Let's have real fun. And this game is based on our online course only, ASR, and our ELTA Nalgonda. Here are the questions. They are based on our ELTA Nalgonda and this online course only, sir.
Everyone, please join the.
Yeah, please join, sir. The more you join, the more we have fun.
Yeah, go to browser. Please go to browser and type kahoot.it. After that, it will ask you the game pin. Enter the game pin. After that, it will ask you the nickname. Then go.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, sir. Start.
Yeah, sir. Yeah. Yes. So here, before starting the game, so here before starting this, let me tell you one thing. So here there is a device in your hand, the mobile. So and here you can see the screen. So these two are needed, and you need to follow these two, sir. So first here the question will appear on the screen, and the answers will be appear here on the screen, and you have to select the suitable answer for the question, and so you have to answer that to that question in your mobile, but that answer is not seen, only the color. So the color on the screen, the correct answers color is seen in your device. So you have to catch the color and you have to click on your mobile, sir. Is that clear, sir? So shall we start? So once again, I am telling you, sir, here on the screen, question will be seen and the option will be seen. So options will be in colorful format, and in your device, only colors will be there. So you have to identify the correct answer on the screen, and so you have to click on your device by matching that same color, sir. So now I am going to start the game, sir. Let's have fun, sir. It is very, very simple questions. and based on the course. Yeah, welcome to ELTA Nalgonda online course game. The first question is, who's the president of ELTA Nalgonda? Your time starts now. Started already. And can you hear the music, sir?
No, sir.
Okay. Yeah, see here, our president of ELTA Nalgonda is Abbas Ali, and a few two people put it wrongly. Maybe they confused with color. I'm sure they confused with color, not
Yes.
with the answer. Yeah,
Yes.
we'll go to next question. Yeah, before we are going to next question, there is scoreboard, sir. Here MUB, and next Narendra Reddy, Uma Shankar sir, and ASR and Aruna. Right. Next, we'll go to next question. Who's the General Secretary of ELTA Nalgonda? Yeah, this is the second question, and this is the result of second question. And next, we'll see the scoreboard. Yeah, Narendra Reddy sir is on top. Yeah, who created ICT Dunia? Yeah, it was created by Mr. K. Narendra Reddy. Yeah, next we'll go to we'll see scoreboard. Is there any change? Yeah, Narendra sir is continuing to be top. Next question. Let's have next question. So now in our online course, Google Classroom was presented by
Narendra Reddy, sir.
Yeah, here online in our online course, our honorable president of state ELTA, it was presented by him only. Yeah, next we'll see. Yeah, again Narendra Reddy sir is on top, and Uma Shankar sir is trying to catch him. Let's see whether he catches or not. Fifth question. The question is Google Forms presented by. The right answer is Viravelli Srinivas, sir, and 5 opted the right answer. So don't get confused with the colors, sir. Be particular with the colors. I think you are missing there only. Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, here scoreboard, and still Narendra Reddy sir is on top. And we'll see next question. Yeah, this may be little tough. Yeah, this course was started by on September 14th. 5 answered in a right way. Next question, and we'll see the scoreboard. Yeah, still Narendra Reddy sir is on top. Next. And the tool Flipgrid was presented by. Mr. Veeravelli Srinivas, Miss A. Neela Madhavi, or Mr. A. Umashankar, or Mr. Lingaswamy Muddala. Wow. Yeah. The right answer is Lingaswamy Muddala. And next we'll see the scoreboard. Yeah. Narendra Reddy sir is continuing to be top. We'll see the next question. The tool quizzes was presented by yeah. The quizzes was presented by Mr. A. Umashankar, and we'll go to we'll see the scoreboard. Yeah, we'll see the next question. Can you hear the music, sir?
Yes, yes, sir.
Thank you. Yeah, Google Slides, the tool Google Slides was presented by Dr. A. Neela Madhavi Madam. Yeah, we'll see the scoreboard. Whether is there any chance? No. Yeah, we'll see the final question. Let's see. Canva. Canva is a beautiful tool, and it was presented by yes, G. Narendra Reddy. Yeah, we'll see. We'll announce the results. MUB third place and Umashankar sir is the second place, and let's see who the first one is. Yeah, we are searching. Yeah, congratulations to Narendra Reddy sir.
Thank you, sir. As I am organizing all the things, I am aware of these things. No wonder.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, hope you had a fun. Little bit change, yes. Yeah, and once again, good evening to all. And this is Lingaswamy. And so this time I have come again, second time, but not with the same tool. And this time I have come with a new and interesting tool, Kahoot. And so Kahoot, what is Kahoot? So Kahoot is a game-based online learning platform used in educational institutions like schools and other things. And next, here Kahoot, a game. So these are user-generated multiple choice quizzes. Kahoot is a game-based learning platform, and this is useful to review students' knowledge, and it is designed for social learning with learners gathered around a common screen, such as an interactive whiteboard, projector, or a computer monitor. The site can also be used through screen sharing tools such as Skype, Google Hangouts, and like Zoom also. And the game design is such that the players are required to frequently look up from their devices. And the gameplay is very simple. All players connect using a generated game pin. Just now you entered, shown on the common screen, you have seen. And it is used to, so you have to answer with your own device. And the question can be changed to award points. The creator can choose whether the player can get 0 points or up to 1000 points or 2000 points. You have seen the points. So the points the player gets are calculated on up to how much can the player get and how long it takes the player to answer. So the sooner the player answers, the more points they get if the player answers correctly. So this is about this is a little description about Kahoot. And so first let's enter Kahoot. So here two URLs are there. You already used one URL that is for students, or that is for the players. That is the URL is www.kahoot.it. So with that you can enter the game and you can play it successfully. So you experienced that. Now I am going to describe how to create that game. So there one more URL. So you have to enter www.kahoot.com. You can see here kahoot.com. So this page will appear, and you can see here kahoot.com. So when you click it, this page will appear, and you can see login. So first time it asks us to sign up, and next second time onwards we have to log in. So when you log in, when you click it, it asks us to join with our log in with our email. It takes a little bit time because of the network problem. It's loading. Yeah. So here it's already prepared account. So when you enter Kahoot, so here this is the dashboard, and you can see here the options, Kahoot and home. This is home page, and you can see here already. So we can create a number of games, or we can use a number of ready-made games that are already created by experts like teachers, all other. So you can see here by clicking this discover, and you can click here, and you can see if you want, suppose if you want ready-made quizzes or ready-made games, you can see. Yeah, here number of ready-made quizzes will be available. So we can use these quizzes to share with our students or to share with our friends also. You can play with these, and so we don't go here. So we create a new one. So here discover, and we'll come to Kahoot later, and reports also later, and groups also I'll tell you later. First we go to create, because after entering, so we have to click here create. So now we are going to create a new quiz. Yeah, new Kahoot. I am going to create new Kahoot this time. Yeah. So for the time convenience, I am using simple questions, sir. So just understand that one, the process only. Yeah. The first question. Yeah, I am going to make questions on simple alphabets only. So I am doing as I did on quizzes also. This is the question. So I have here question, and next time limit will be, we can put, and points will be here, you can see here, and single select answer options will be here, you can see single select or multiple select will be there. So here single select, we click it, and if you want to take any image from library, we can take, and we can upload, and YouTube link also will be available. First I write the options and we can go that this box, right? We'll see. Yeah. C D E. So after giving the options, we have to select the, we have to give the right answer also. So I'm clicking here. So now it accepts. So here the time limit we can give, whatever the time here, you can see the time 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, like this. 4 minutes time is also available here. So I give just 10 seconds time. Yeah, points will be same. Yeah, next this was over. Next, so creating or making one question is over. Here you can see, if you want to add an image here, you can image library, number of images are available in Kahoot only. You can see, if you click here, you can see this. Yeah, we'll see simple one. I'm selecting this. Yeah, here the picture is available. To attract the students, it's better to add related pictures or interesting pictures. Yeah. So here one more thing to save the time. You here after completion of the first question, if we click add question, the second one will come. Instead of clicking this, so you can see here delete option is there. If you don't like this question, you can delete, but I am not deleting. So here you can see duplicate. This one I would like you to focus. You focus on here, duplicate. The same question here again it will come for second time. You can see the first one is over. For second one, duplicate is created. Just I am using this one. So what comes after? Just see. Now everything is changed. So what comes after C? This is the question, and instead of clicking here, I am clicking here. The answer is same. So if you want to change the time limit, you can change. If you want to change points, you can change, and you can say single select is suggested. Right. This is the second one, and we can see we can make duplicate again. Right. This is the third question. Now I am changing. Little changes. With little changes, we can say what comes before. What comes before D? So now I am clicking the right answer. I am changing the previous answer. Yeah, 3 questions were made. Now, so okay, you have seen. Likewise, we can easily make some more questions based on this. Just before I did like that only, you played the game. So names are options are same. Only questions changed sometimes. You might have observed. Right. Next, add question this time.
Sir, I think we can add images for the options also, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes. Yeah, shall I do it, sir, next time?
Please show it one.
Yes. Sure, sir. Sure. This time I'll see.
For one question. Yeah.
Yeah, this time. A4. So you can see here there is an icon. You can see here whenever we are going to moving to options, add image as answer instead of text. So instead of text, we can add image also if suitable image is available there. Otherwise, we can upload image. So just I am searching, sir, but may not be available there.
Okay.
Yeah,
You
you
just-
can see here this one. And so we can be prepared by downloading those images.
You can
And
search in the
see.
search box, sir, for
Yeah.
ball. On the top of the screen, you could see, yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
Avocado is also there. So you can choose avocado for A.
Yeah, correct. For correct answer,
Yes,
avocado,
yeah.
you are saying. Yes, sir. So likewise, we can see, you can see the image. So here it is asking
They are paid.
paid
premium,
version, sir.
yeah.
Maybe later I am clicking and I am coming back.
Then it is better to upload from our computer.
Yes, sir. Yeah. No, this one too will be closed. We will go to our quiz only.
You can upload any image, sir. No
Yes,
problem.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So here we have created those questions, sir. So after creating those questions, so you have seen those questions. So after creating them, you can see here, simple game, and Delta, just before you played this game only, Delta Nalgonda online course. Yeah,
I think
here,
on the top of the screen, yes.
Yes, sir.
Simple
Yes.
game.
Yes. And next, that was also over, sir. Right. Next,
Okay.
so here, let me tell you, yeah, creating a game is over, and after that we'll share it. And next here, you see Kahoots option. Kahoots option is there. So here, this means when we click this one, so the games we created will be appear here. You see here, this one you played, and simple game here also it is played. And next, reports. Reports means the number of players played each game will be seen here. Reports. So this one. So when you continue your reports, you can see here. So after reporting. And next, groups are. Groups means here we can invite other people also to participate in this creating games. So it leads to it will be helpful for collaborative learning, sir. So this will be helpful in here. Yeah. So create, if you click creating group, it will come like this. We can add them. We can create a name and we can describe, and after that we can invite other people. Suppose so it is optional. Okay, I'm creating this. So we can invite members. You can see here, I named this. And so here we can invite members. So search email. Here two options will be there. You can send invitation to each member, or you can invite all at a time. So you can see here this box. You can type all the emails of all the teachers, the emails of all the teachers in one box, and you can enter here. Suppose I am entering. So after completion of this, we have to put comma, and next. Next, another energy. Period of Gmail. Yeah. So here we can type as many as possible, and we can send invitation to them. So they will come here and they will give their cooperation also in doing that. Yeah. Invitation was gone. And after this, so we can add Kahoots here. So this is about groups. So these are the things, sir. These are the things about Kahoot. So home, discover, and Kahoots, reports, and groups, sir. So this is the thing I did with Kahoot, sir. So here you can see the personal information of the creator. You can see. And thank you, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Narendra, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, Lingaswamy, sir. You have done well. Really great presentation regarding this tool. Friends, as Lingaswamy, sir, said, this is a best assessment tool. Not only assessment tool, this can be used for self-learning. So, yeah, like our worksheets. So, while what is that, answering the questions, they could learn something with the help of pictures, all that. So very interactive assessment tool, and hope you have understood this. Once again, I request you to explore this, so you can even know some more provisions and facilities here in order to have a what is it, effective assessment tool. Thank you for your patience, and thank you everyone. And one more thing I would like to share, that today 3 of our teachers has retired. They have retired from their service. Can you see this, sir? Can you see the screen?
Yeah, yeah.
Especially Tudi Murali is school assistant English from ZPHS Katangur, and Mohammad Gauss Mohyuddin, school assistant English from ZPHS Urdu medium Devarakonda, and Vamula Krishnamurthy, school assistant English ZPHS Amanagal. So I congratulate everyone, and I wish them all the success in their life. And thank you for having a patient and listening to this, and thank you everyone for attending the session. And one more thing I would like to remind is, so day by day our strength is decreasing, so please try to inform your friends and others who are the participants of this program. So we are halfway in our journey. Still we have to go 10 more days for this, and I hope you will attend regularly to the sessions. Thank you everyone, and now it is time to conclude the session.
Thank you, Lingaswamy, sir. So it's very funny. It was very funny.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations, sir. So
Yes.
I have also confused because you took 2 sessions. So that's why I made a wrong question, wrong answer to your question.
Flip-grid answer. Okay, no.
Yes,
Not
yes.
a problem, sir. Yeah.
Very interesting, sir. Very useful for teachers to prepare different kind of questions and to assign to students on different topics. It is also very similar to quizzes. So I think that
Yes,
you
sir.
are also thanks
Sir,
a lot, sir.
yeah.
Ma'am, Madhavi
Sir,
ma'am.
yeah, evidently Kahoot is a fun game to play as seen by all of us.
Yes.
But it was made lot more funnier by the questions that Lingaswamy sir chose. that captivated the participants. Appreciate you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, friends.